Hey, what's you guys? Back to my channel. Today, we're reacting to EXO, White Noise, Thunder, PlayBoy, and Artifical live performance. And it was suggested to me by this one person right here. So guys, let's get right into it. And remember guys, I'm not gonna be short now. Boom! Ooh. Oh yeah, I will say right now, most of these songs I have not listened to. So if I don't know those songs, please forgive me. Oh! You kind of sexual in here. Yeah. Okay. They'll be funny. Yeah. This is so high quality, I admit that. Bruh. It looks so dope. Yeah. They are awesome. They're amazing at this. I can get more impressed with more live performances they're doing. Hey, they're like, hey, awesome. Oh, bro. Dude, that is amazing. To do that on stage is on like a top notch. Dude, it create a whole new atmosphere that I don't like. You don't see many that much in the world. This is awesome. Yeah, he's commanding his whole audience with the words and he moves. This is amazing. I think this might be one of my new favorite songs now. Yeah, so. I like how they're having so much fun on stage. That's the main focus of being on the performer. You gotta have fun on stage. I hope so. Their singing can make anybody, make many people cry, bro. I can't cry because of mostly trauma, but this is like one made me want to cry. Dude, that's a simple performance took into a very good level. It's just amazing. I'm scared. Oh, gay? Okay. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on. This is where the shipping happens. This is where the shipping happens. Yeah. This is awesome. Oh, okay. Why is like a lot of moves became like so sexual in this one? I don't know. I didn't realize that. Bro. Okay. Bro, I'm point as always. Deal, man. They're going to more into the crowds. That's awesome. Oh god, why he grabbed his? He's just grabbing the thing every single time now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Like I usually don't see this many like K-pop dances like to have like a sexual feel to it at all. They're most like PG or at least PG-13 is like, bruh. This game like adult. They're adults and all of this, and not playful teenagers, and like they're not teenagers, but still, it's just like I'm just seeing like all innocent, but now I'm seeing them all dirty. I'm like, oh god. Dude. Yeah, that guy's an amazing rapper. Oh yeah, look. Oh, bruh. Dude. What the? This is a weird performance. Well, they take a lot of trust to this performance though. Damn, that man's gotta be seen. Bruh. Dude. Dude, they just did this so smoothly, bruh. Dude, this is so different. Oh my god. Whoa. Dude, this is like, thank you. I keep saying this in every video, but thank you whoever suggested this video. This is so awesome. I'm seeing them like in a whole different like feel. Like I used to see them like in an innocent way. I like my babies. My babies are innocent, but now they're dirty. Oh, cool. That is so cool. I just like when like having so much fun on stage. It just makes me so happy. Just like and like the performance even more. I keep saying that, but it's just like a constant thing that I love to see in performances. What's this? Wait, why do you got kings? Oh, smooth. Okay. Oh, my babies, no. I give up. My babies are not innocent anymore. They're adults, and you gotta accept that. I like them when they're innocent. Why did he grab the junk? Dude, he's feeling this one. Dude. They like, I think they can add so many things to performance and just make it feel so awesome, amazing. This song I have heard of. I just heard the song, never seen the performance of it. And the performance is like even, it's like so good with the song. What have you been doing? Bruh! Oh my god. I'm getting flustered. Oh god. Dude, cool. I like how y'all can sing there on stage. That is so cool. Bruh. That takes so much practice. I'm feeling this. Like, I love this song, but I'm just like. Dude, can't give it up to these guys for doing all these wonderful performances and memorizing all those things. A lot of practice. Oh god. I'm sorry. It's just like, why so much shippings are happening. I'm sorry, I ship a lot of these guys together. I think you guys do too. Bruh, they're so... How do you like these? Oh! It's just like, so, like this performance is so like different from all the ones I've seen. They're like, it's just been like very lighthearted and very like playful and very like cool and amazing. This is just straight up sexual. And I don't mind that. I'm just like, I thought it was so innocent. It was so innocent in my eyes. But it's so dirty now. Oh. Don't make that king pregnant now. I'm sorry, I'm joking. Dude, they did. Oh. Wait, what? What's going on here? No, wait. Are you doing a blindfolded dance? It takes so much. It take you mastering your whole senses, all your senses at once. And you gotta be so sync with the other person behind you. Oh my god. Dude, I know it took them so much practice to get this down. To be in so in sync with you one another. This is on a totally different scale. Oh god. I got nothing to say but amazing, awesome, two-tassler doing video that made me see him in sexual light, which I do not mind, but just awesome. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit like, subscribe, and anything you want me to do, please comment down below and hear what you guys gotta say. And remember guys, we all are friends, and Johnny guys, have a wonderful day. Bye!